Hi everyone, today we are going to review this Ambrane 3.5mm AUX audio cable. So now we are unboxing this. It has the cable and a small information card. So where it is written as had a treat, reviewers online, and there is information regarding the contact details. There are some contact details. Now coming to the cable. So this is approximately 1.5 meter long. 1.5 meter long. It has good build quality. It has stereo tip ring and sleeve. Coming to the cable quality, it has braided cable. This is a 3.5mm male to 3.5mm male AUX cable. It has stereo TRS tip ring sleeve connector. The connector is made up of metal and it's very good quality. It is a tangle free cable which has a cloth braided type material. Thank you.